A day in my life. Hello, my name is Samir. I am 20 years old. I live in a small city. I live with my family. Every day I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up early in the morning. I open my eyes and sit up. I look at my phone. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and smile. I feel a little sleepy. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen. She says, "Good morning." I say, "Good morning, Mom." We eat breakfast together. I eat bread and cheese. I drink tea. Sometimes I drink milk. My mother drinks coffee. Breakfast is simple but good. I like breakfast time. We talk a little. Then I get ready for the day. I put on my clothes. I choose a shirt and pants. Today I wear a blue shirt. I like blue. Blue is my favorite color. I take my bag. I check my phone. I check my keys. I am ready to go out. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. The street is busy. There are many cars. There are many people. Some people walk fast. Some people walk slowly. I go to school. I am a student. I study English. I like English very much. English is interesting. My class starts at 9. The teacher is very kind. She speaks slowly and clearly. We listen and repeat. We read and write. In class, I sit next to my friend Ali. Ali is friendly. He helps me sometimes. We practice together. The teacher asks questions. We answer the questions. Sometimes the answers are easy. Sometimes they are difficult. But we try our best. At 11 o'clock, we take a break. We go outside. We talk and laugh. I eat a small sandwich. Ali drinks juice. After the break, we go back to class. We do exercises. We listen to a dialogue. We repeat the sentences. We learn new words. At 1 o'clock, school is finished. I go home. I feel a little tired, but I feel happy. At home, I eat lunch with my family. We eat rice and chicken. The food is delicious. I drink water. After lunch, I rest. I sit on the sofa. I watch a short video. Sometimes I take a short nap. In the afternoon, I study again. I open my notebook. I read my lessons. I write new words. I say the words aloud. At 5 o'clock, I go for a walk. The weather is nice today. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. I see children playing. They are happy. They run and laugh. I smile when I see them. Sometimes I meet a friend. We talk together. We ask simple questions. How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? In the evening, I go back home. My family is in the living room. We watch TV together. We talk about our day. At night, I eat dinner. Dinner is light. I eat soup or salad. I drink tea. After dinner, I prepare for tomorrow. I put my books in my bag. I check my schedule. I set my alarm. At 10:30, I go to bed. I feel tired. I close my eyes. I sleep. This is my day. It is a simple day, but it is a good day. Thank you for listening.